everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. Today's video is a skincare wishlist 2021 video, and this is the makeup brand edition. Now these are all the skincare products I want to try out from makeup brands. So before I start, if you're new here, then hi, my name is Rahma and I do men's fashion and beauty videos. So if you like this kind of stuff, then please make sure you are subscribed to my channel and also follow me on my Instagram, where I always post like skincare haul videos, mini reviews, and also much more which I don't post on YouTube. So definitely head over on my Instagram and follow me on there. Before I start, if you have not watched part 1 and part 2 of my series, definitely go and check it out. I'm gonna leave links up below, and also I'm gonna leave a link in my description box for you guys to go and check it out. Part 1 was the drugstore video and part 2 was the wish list for luxury skincare, and the third and the last part of the series is the skincare products from makeup brands. And I'm really excited to try it because makeup brands, they have so much skincare. I feel like all the makeup brands nowadays bring out skincare because they know that skincare is something that is really skyrocketing in the business world. So I'm not surprised that people bring out skincare. So I'm really excited to try out these products. However, these products are products which are not new. They have been already existent in the skincare world from the makeup brands, but these are the products I have not tried. Alright, so the first brand I've already filmed and made so many videos about this brand, and I love Lancome. Lancome is one of those brands I really enjoy the skincare. I think the brand it's just a beautiful brand, beautiful skincare and makeup brand. And a particular one is one of the best-selling skincare moisturizers from them is the HYDRA Zen Anti-Stress Moisturizing Cream. It's 75 ml and this retails for £70. It's just a basic standard hydrating cream, which I like. It's the anti-stress moisturizing cream. It's the HYDRA Zen one. It's taking the stress out of your skin and your beauty regime. It's basically an anti-stress moisturizer which smoothes, nourishes and protects the skin. It's there to protect the skin from external dehydration, causing influences such as wind or the cold air or the air conditioning. It's also a very smooth cream to boost the absorbent of your complexion. It's also a formula that absorbs very quickly onto the skin. It's enriched with exclusive plant extract that works to hydrate and soften the complexion for a radiant finish. Now I have actually tried the skin on my face and on my skin. This cream is actually really great because I had a sample size of it, and also smells of the classic, I don't know how this rose called, Grandesia, something like that. But this rose of the smell is so nice. It's the classic smell of the Lancome products and I really enjoy it. And also I like the packaging. The packaging is very simple, very great, and it's a very standard moisturizing cream from Lancome I want to try. The next brand I want to try, which I have not tried, is from Charlotte Tilbury. Charlotte Tilbury's makeup. I feel like the makeup products are so beautifully done. The packaging, the rose gold packaging is one of my favorites. And the particular product is the classic Charlotte's Magic Cream. I feel like the Magic Cream is one of those products which every beauty bloggers, every makeup artist has it. And it's just a cult favorite which is transformed the skin, tight skin, for a very great and plumping complexion. And it has like over 20 years of Charlotte's mixing elixir which is inside, like the magic tested and certified formula is inside this cream. It's everybody's favorite, and it's also got hyaluronic acid, as I said. With all of the other products, they also got hyaluronic acid, and it's infused with rose oil, vitamin E, and it's just bringing your skin back together after a long haul flight. Wherever you are, it's helping for fatigue skin. Also, it's great if you want the appearance of 8 hours sleep. This will give your skin a very long-lasting, dewy and plump finish. It's got vitamin E, vitamin C, it's got SPF 15, which is great. It's suitable for combination skin, contains hyaluronic acid and also rose oil, so it's a very great moisturizer. And it's just the magic of the magic, and this retails for £75. And I always wanted to try it, the Magic Cream. Also, they have the night cream as well. And also from Charlotte Tilbury, they also got this detox mask, which I always want to try out as well. The detox mask is so great. Heard so many good reviews about the detox mask, so I'm gonna definitely give it a shot as well. And moving on with the next brand, again the brand I have I think tried again something from the past, but obviously it was back before my YouTube days, and it's from Clinique, and particular one is the clarifying lotion. Now this one I want, it's the number 4, it's the oily to very oily, but I think it's the number 2 I need. The number 2 of clarifying lotion. Again, way back in the YouTube days, the clarifying lotion was used by Huda. I feel like she has influenced me to get the clarifying lotion because she was swearing by it. Also, lots of other beauty bloggers and YouTubers and influencers, they have used the clarifying lotion in the past. So with me, I actually don't use a lotion, or a toner actually, it's a toner, why am I saying lotion? A toner, but I want to try it this year hopefully, and I want to get obviously the best one, so the Clinique one really rings bells inside me. So the clarifying lotion from Clinique, the number 2 I think is really great. Obviously it's treatment to sweep away all the excess oil or the makeup or the dirt, the residue, the pollution that's stuck on your face. So it's great if you want to use it for your skincare regime, or I guess to take off your makeup. So it's like a 2-in-1. So I guess this clarifying lotion would be a great one to start for. And also the prices are good as well. It's £14. This is the 100 ml, believe so. So it's also inexpensive, and they have loads of other numbers as well. So they have number 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So it's obviously targeted for different kind of skin concerns, if you wanted to. But the number 2 I think is the one that I am looking for. The 4th makeup brand on my list is Estee Lauder. Estee Lauder, their makeup, oh my god, the double wear foundation. If you want a high coverage, a very beautiful complexion with a foundation, then don't look further, because the double wear foundation is the one for you. It's such an amazing formula and foundation. Honestly, it's one of my favorites. Used to use it in the past, but obviously now Armani has taken over my world. But in terms of the skincare, the one I want to try is the Advanced Night Repair Multi-Recovery Complex. This is the classic Advanced Night Repair from Estee Lauder, which I always wanted to try. This week is for £82. Again, a bit on the pricier side of serums, but I feel like this serum, together with the Lancome Genifique, they have been really battling the serum world, because this is just a serum for a very good skin. It's there to minimize the appearance of wrinkles and lines for younger looking skin. Wake up in the morning for more beautiful looking skin every day with the Estee Lauder Night Repair. It's very great for targeting the key science benefits of aging with the label's exclusive powerful signaling technology, while the maintaining of the beloved oil-free texture. Formula is adapted for 72 hours of hydration. Protect your skin from the environmental aggressors. Oh wow. This has very huge benefits, and it has won so many awards. Winner of Harper's Bazaar Best of Beauty Awards 2020, Best of Repair Serum Beauty Awards, Subscriber's Choice, Marie Claire Skin Awards, Best Night Serum. This has won a lot of awards, so it speaks for itself. Recommended for aging, suitable for mature skin, contains hyaluronic acid serum. Age restriction, there's 0 age restriction because everybody can use it. It reduces the appearance of wrinkles, strengthens, protects, and hydrates. I feel like by the series we all have gathered that I want something that reduces the wrinkles and also gives a very good hydration and protection for the skin. That's what you have gathered into the series. Definitely feel like all I want is for my skin good glowing skincare products that's really good for hydration, rejuvenating, protection, and also is oil free. Like it's basically, it's a very multi-purpose thing for my skin I want to use. So moving on with the last brand or the last product on my list is none other than the best of the best, Huda Beauty. Huda has honestly taken over the world in makeup, especially here in London. Particular one, obviously she brought out the WISHFUL skincare line, and it's from Huda. If you don't know by now, I'm sure you all know. So it's the WISHFUL Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. This was the first product from Huda, the WISHFUL, and I was really interested. I really like the campaign. I really like the marketing campaign they've used on it. And I like the concept of it because it's an enzyme scrub that really gives your skin a nice kind of layer of skin, get rid of all the dead skin cells. It's basically creating a confidence in the natural beauty and the perfect base for a makeup application. It's really great, combines amazing with the makeup line of Huda, and basically it feels for you the radiance, the glow that everybody is lost after. So it's giving you this glow from this product. It's an enzyme scrub formulated with glue-like consistency. This is like a life-changing formula that begins to collect the dead skin cells and also get rid of all of the unwanted pollution that is building up on your skin, creating your skin a very dreamy finish. And it's very potent, it's very divine, it has a natural scent, and it's also got a complex of blend of BHA and AHA, which is a really great BHA and AHA. So it's also great. It's also got the silicone free, it's 100 ml, contains citric acid and lactic acid and antioxidants, which are really great for the skin if you ask me. And basically these kind of ingredients you also find in the Ordinary, which people like. So yeah, this enzyme scrub is basically giving you a nice scrub. It's like a nice preparation for your makeup application. And I feel like this scrub can be used also for the guys. If you have like this beard, rough skin, I feel like these kind of products are great for give your skin this nice smooth effect by not making it too greasy or too oily. I feel like this is just the right in between product. And this product retails for £34 and only comes in 100 ml. And also I believe it also comes in a 50 ml now. That believe is £18 if I'm not wrong. So it also comes in a smaller size if you're interested. But of course the 100 ml would be the one that I would go for. And again, they have loads of other products they have brought out. They have the cleansing butter, which is I think the latest one, which is also very interesting that I want to try out. And so many other things that Huda has brought. They have also got now serums as well. So there's definitely loads of products I want to try out from Wishful. Alright you guys, so this was it with my skincare wishlist 2021 makeup edition, and hope you guys all enjoyed my series. If you have not watched part 1 and part 2, I'm gonna leave a link in the description for you guys down below for you guys to go watch it and check it out. If you have tried these products I have mentioned in part 1, part 2 or in this video, do let me know in the comments how you find it. Do you like it? Do you don't? I'm all about communicating with you guys and I want to know before I go and splurge out my money. And obviously I'm all about trying out new different type of skincare products or different type of brands, because in this year I want to try different brands, different products, and I'm all about reviewing and trying out the best of the best in this market or in the skincare world for you guys and also for myself. And I'm all about like finding out new things and things that I enjoy using and stuff like that. So if you like this kind of stuff, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like these and for more skincare reviews slash kind of fashion as well. And do let me know your video suggestions down below, what kind of other videos you guys want me to film next. Do let me know everything in the comments down below. And also follow me on my Instagram at Rahma, where I always post like skincare hauls, mini reviews, like fashion and all stuff that I don't post on my YouTube. It's all on my Insta stories and all on my Instagram. So I would love to if you come to my Instagram and follow me there. And also my DMs are open as well on Instagram. If you want to communicate through Instagram, then feel free to come and communicate on Insta, because I would love to communicate with you guys and I appreciate your support. Alright guys, I have nothing else to say except thanks so much for watching guys. Until next time, I will see you all in the next one.